Yes, hello, my good fans out there. Once again, I welcome you to my program. I remain your Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. But as I said before, from this day forward, at least for some months or weeks to come, we'll be dwelling on some great subject matters on biology. And that is what we have been doing. Now, look at the topic we are dealing with genetics, heredity, and variation. I have discussed with you on the introduction, we have discussed one of the great variables here is genetics. And then right away, we discuss about heredity. Heredity. These are common words we have been hearing every day, even at school, even among discussions with our colleagues. So, what is heredity? The heredity or inheritance is defined as what? The transmission or the expression of a trait or a character from parents to the offspring in living organisms. Once living organism is mentioned, you know this plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So I take it once again. Inheritance or heredity is defined as what? The transmission. In other words, the transfer and the expression of characteristics. These are characters, or we call them traits, from parents to the children, which we call the offspring of living organisms. Now, in other words, the ways and manners in which characters or traits are inherited from parents is known as what? Heredity. The way and manners, characters, or traits are inherited from parents to offspring is called heredity. Now, characters or traits that are transmitted from parents to children may include the following. For instance, the height, then the shape of the nose. I know of a man in this town called Patani. The man is late already. He has a very big nose with a particular shape. And you will not believe that all his children that I know, both male and female, has that type of nose. So if you have known the father before and you see any of these children anywhere, you will quickly know that this daughter or this boy may be a son or a daughter of the so Mrs. So A. Because it is a peculiar type of nose the man has. And all his children, both female and male, they have it. And the mother don't have church. See, that is a very peculiar example. Then the hair color. Then also we have the shape and the color of the eyes. Some children have eyes like we call opolo, very big. The father and the mother may not even have them. But where does that opolo eye come from? Or sometimes the mother's eyes are very big, and all the children may be having big eyes. Then sometimes also the shape of the ear. See, these are some features we see on the bodies of children which they inherit from their parents. So these are commonly transmitted from parent to children during sexual reproduction. So it is a common observation that offsprings or children of men, other animals and plants usually what resemble their parents and also resemble what one another. Sometimes the two brothers or two sisters may look very alike. They may not be identical twins, but the features they have in their body looks very alike. Sometimes you see the junior brother or sister somewhere else, and because I've known the senior one before, you will call the name of that person with the senior name, person's name. Say, no, I'm not that person. That is my senior brother. I say, you resemble too much. You just look like him, like a carbon copy. We commonly say these things. How does it occur? So this is because the offspring inherited what? Characters, traits from their parents. For example, cite the example of what? A late man, who I've just told you before, with that kind of nose. The nose is a spectacular type. The moment you see the nose of that man before and you see any of his children anywhere, nobody will tell you. You just know immediately that this boy or girl is this man's daughter or this man's son. So that is heredity, the transmission or the transfer and expression of what? Characters from parents to offspring during what? Sexual reproduction. So like it, comment, please follow me, subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.